Alright, YouTube, I got this twin over bunk bed. Twin over twin bunk bed for my son. Yeah, it's just one kid, but still he wanted a bunk bed. I always wanted a bunk bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and make him this bunk bed. You know what I'm saying? Fits standard size twin mattress. Upper guardrails for safety. Black finish. And it's real heavy, so I'm pretty sure it'll be sturdy. I got this from Walmart and it was only $100, $200. Wait, no, it was $200, I think, because the mattress was $100. I bought a mattress too. Hold on, let me show you. The mattress is in a box. It's a twin size. It's by Mainstays. Yeah, man, it's kind of awkward. Excuse that. We got work to do, so let's go ahead and try to put it together. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to do this video. Might take me 3 days. I mean, it's not hard to do. It's just I'm busy and I got stuff to do, right? I'm tired and he got a bed, so he ain't like he gonna be bedless. You know what I'm saying? Black finish. This is gonna be dope. I got the bed open. This box was so heavy. You'd be surprised how heavy this was. If on the box it says you need 2 people to lift it, pay attention to what the box say. I did this by myself. I'm different though. I lift weights. My name is Rapping Time Fitness, by the way. For those who just met me, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button, and look at my fitness videos to teach you how to hold this bed up by yourself. I lost 50 pounds this year. How much do I weigh? I weigh like 161. Bruh. A lot of people be asking, oh, you supposed to be a bodybuilder, aren't you supposed to weigh a lot? Dude, I am lean and I am natural. And man, dog, we can talk about it. Look at my physique update and tell me I'm small. But I weigh 161 pounds after losing 50 pounds this year. And I pack a wallop. I ain't a regular 160. You know what I'm saying? If you 160 and I'm 160, I guarantee you, don't just think because we weigh the same. Nah. But matter of fact, I'm gonna find out what the brand name of this bed is so I can like put that as the title for some views. You know what I'm saying? Eurozone. I never heard of that. Still, Eurozone, how to put together a bed. I said that for the title. Bam, Eurozone. I should say something else though. So my son's ceiling fan is kind of rickety. Listen, I'm gonna get that look. Yeah, I just noticed it. It don't sound bad, but I'll be a bad dad and make you mad if I come around the black. Yo, I ain't about to rap for y'all, nah, man. Y'all don't want that. Hoping that this is not too complicated and I can put it together real quick. But yeah, let's go see the instructions. They want to put the instructions under stuff. Oh, god dang it. Pretty cool to come with tools. A ratchet. I know a whole bunch of ratchets. Hit the ratchet wrench with a crescent wrench. Alright, this is a long time ago. This brings me back, man. I did a lot of work too besides that, but back in middle school, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Brings me back, man. Memories. Never mind. I think I'm missing a piece. I'm gonna keep on looking for it. Probably gonna have to call the toll-free number. They say they'll send it to me free of charge. And there's always something every time I try to do something, man. Gosh dang it. I don't believe in good luck, bad luck, or none of that. So, you know, so I'm gonna open that box because it says small parts. I think that's just screws and stuff. But it says small parts inside. That's a small part. Well, let me show you what I'm missing. I'm gonna keep it rolling. I usually would make another scene, but it's just this little piece right here. So, but that's a leg. I would think that it wouldn't be, but just let's see what it is. If it is, we might be able to continue the video. All right, here's the piece. I found it. It was in a box. I didn't lose it or nothing, so it's in there. Yeah, man, let's go ahead and see what we can do. I hope this is not hard to do. Hope there's no more hiccups. This was a little hiccup, but y'all don't know the timeline on how long and how mad I was getting when I was looking for this piece. Y'all just seen scene for scene. Yo, I was walking around the house tearing up stuff, putting holes in the walls, broke my TV, just playing. Don't believe that. Some people believe anything, so I mean, I'm just joking, you know what I'm saying? Clearly. Common sense, bro. Like, come on, bro. Alright, this is gonna be a big task. I keep talking about it, but I'm dreading it. But haste makes waste. Let's go ahead. It's oh, yeah, okay. But two T pieces. These are the legs. But yeah, man. I just wanted to say, some people will offend you and like get mad at you that you get mad that they offended you. Don't make no sense, man. Come on. That's what the first piece looks like. After putting together, this is B. Focus. B, D, and that's C. That sticky part. That leg part. Now that's another C. That's what it looks like. That's C. I can't find the other B and D. It's supposed to look just like this. There's no way I'm losing these. So, you know what I'm saying? Like it's in another small box or nothing. So, I'm kind of hoping it's not. So they can send me a free piece and I won't have to work on this tonight. But my son wants the bed up. So, you know. Kind of sad now because my son, he wants me to actually put this bed together. I can't find. I'm gonna keep on looking through these parts, but none of them parts look just exactly like the ones that I got over there. So, you know what I'm saying? That's what it is. You gotta have it. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have every part, or it ain't gonna go together. You know what I'm saying? But he said, "Man, I'm gonna just give you some more time." I'm like, "Man, I'm gonna just have to call that number." Sucks. No harsh feelings against the company. Accidents do happen. It's just things always happen to me, man. I don't want to sound like a downer or nothing like, but yeah, man, it kind of sucks, man. But it's all good. But yeah, man. I mean, besides that, I mean, it seemed like it got some sturdy pieces. You know, for $200, this is still a deal. You know what I'm saying? Anything else that's about this quality be double that at least. You know what I'm saying? So it's all good. I also don't know the quality until I'm done finishing and shaking and make sure, you know, of course I'm going to put it together right as I possibly can. But yeah, it's going to have to be a part 2 of this.